Hi, my name is Wiley from Weston Motorsports. You're watching Pro Tips. In this video, we're going to install a BrakeAway Mechanical Cruise Control on a 2009 Harley-Davidson Deluxe. Let's discuss what the BrakeAway Mechanical Motorcycle Cruise Control really is and what it'll do for you. The BrakeAway Cruise Control is a mechanical friction device which holds your throttle in place when it's set. You can override the position by turning the throttle up or down without disengaging the unit. The throttle position will stay where you set it until the cruise is released by the front brake or the manual push lever. What makes BrakeAway the #1 mechanical motorcycle cruise control? Safe, reliable operation. It's an affordable alternative to electronic cruise control. Easy push-button engagement. Adjust throttle to any position while it's engaged. Immediate release triggered by the front brake or the manual lever. Easy installation. Looks and feels integrated with the factory controls. Highest quality billet components, and it's 100% made in the USA. Let's move right into the preparation and disassembly of your bike. Remove the C-clip from the bottom of your brake pivot pin. Do not remove the pin yet. Remove the stock brake pivot pin by pushing it upward from the bottom and then pulling it out from the top. While carefully holding the brake lever in place, install the appropriate replacement pin. Reinstall the C-clip into the new replacement pin. Pull the brake lever and insert a wood shim or a piece of cardboard into the gap. This will hold the brake lever slightly closed to prevent damage to the brake light plunger. Slide the 2 rubber boots down the throttle cables to expose the cable adjusters, and loosen completely. Loosen the Harley star screw, the bottom of the switch housing between the 2 cables. Turn it down counterclockwise a few turns. This screw will no longer be needed, but there's no reason to remove it. Remove the upper and lower switch housings. Unhook the 2 throttle cables. Rotate the friction ring to expose the 2 cap screws. Remove the 2 cap screws and pull the front cap off. Install the O-ring onto your throttle grip. It'll work as a spacer to keep the grip firmly mounted inside the friction ring. Reinstall the friction ring. Slide the entire assembly over the handlebar until the ferrule receivers are inside of the switch housing. Replace the brass ferrules on your front cable and the rear cable. Adjust your throttle and idle cables. Reassemble the upper and lower switch housings. Remove the shim from your front brake at this time. Loosen the swivel lock and rotate the swivel out of the way. Engage the cruise control by squeezing it together with your thumb and index finger until the clamp snaps into the engaged position. With the clamp closed and in the engaged position, loosen the cam lock screw on the bottom of the black Delrin cam. Position the brake release arm approximately a 1/4 inch below the brake lever and slide the cam into the slot until it makes contact with the brake lever. Tighten the cam screw to secure this position. Disengage the cruise control and rotate the swivel so the threaded hole in the end bracket lines up with the threaded end of the brake pivot pin. Tighten until the end bracket lines up with the shoulder of the pin. Engage the cruise control and tighten the end bracket lock screw and the swivel lock screw, and you're done. Thank you for watching Pro Tips. We'll see you next time.